You are probably not familiar with the term Voluntastrol, but take a listen to this great and healing substance we are talking about here. Voluntastrol is a good and effective remedy for the brain. First of all, the composition. It consists of bioflavonoids from citrus fruits. Added to that, we have chamomile flower extract and cocoa bean extract. When you hear that, you probably think, what's the point? It's nothing special. But the magic is in the mixture. Let's take a look at the effects. What happens when you use such a product? It has an effect on these so-called silent inflammations. These neurogenic inflammations in the brain, it is anti-inflammatory for these inflammations. Our whole body and brain is constantly exposed to inflammation, with all its consequences. Secondly, it improves the blood flow in the brain. Very important, our brain can only function when the blood flow is working properly. And the third point, it increases the amount of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are the substances that transfer the stimulation from one cell to another. If they are missing, the brain will not function properly. The transmitters are usually reduced in mental disorders, so Voluntastrol increases these neurotransmitters. You see, it has an effect in the brain, and it is almost exclusively a remedy for brain problems. By the way, the manufacturer of Voluntastrol is the same of Salvastrol. We have a separate video about that substance. Now, this product was developed to provide improvement to brain-damaged patients. Damages after an accident, for example, craniocerebral trauma, or damage following a stroke or concussion. These people have a disturbed brain function after such incidents. And that was the reason why Voluntastrols was developed. And in developing this product, they discovered that it also helps with depression. So, brain-damaged people who were depressed due to the severe life circumstances noticed that their mental health improved, and that is why Voluntastrol has now another main function in my practice as an antidepressant. No matter what the disorder is in the brain, try Voluntastrol. You can take it together with antidepressants. It does not interfere at all. There are also other substances for depression, such as St. John's wort. You have to be a little careful there. With Voluntastrols, I don't see any interference problems. I don't know of any interactions with antidepressants. You can take this at any time, and the dose is not high either. When someone comes to me with depression, for the first month, I suggest 4 capsules a day, 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, and after 4 weeks, you can go to half the amount. So 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, and that for a few months. A mild to moderate depression can disappear naturally, even without therapy, within a few months. And with Voluntastrol, you can speed up this process.